Well, right, ladies and gentlemen, today it's Saturday the 29th of January. I'm going to be sowing these Stocks 10-week mix. It says here, a lovely cottage garden flower producing compact spikes of fragrant blooms, perfect for growing where the fragrance can be appreciated. It's a half-hardy annual. Our wildlife friendly flowers are a magnet for bees, butterflies and other pollinators. It says there, sow indoors, February, March, April, plant out March, June, sow outdoors, April, May, flowers, June, July, August, September. Indoor sowing, sow thinly in trays of compost, cover with a 1/4 inch of compost, firm gently and keep moist, cover with glass, polythene or a propagator slit. Keep it approximately 15 Celsius, seedlings appear 14 to 21 days. So yeah, let's get these open first and have a look inside, shall we? Set the camera, folks. Sorry about this. Get that down there. Get this cut open for you. Let's get that sorted. I'm using these as well because I got these given to me, so have a look at gift horse in the mouth. I've run out of my half trays, so I'm just going to open these up. First of all, I'm using a peat-based compost. I thought first of all get this covered like so. Break it up so you don't have any lumps in your compost. Nice and light and airy. Then once you just give it a gentle tap, just get the hand and just rub it over the top like so. That's spot on that. And all we need to do then is just have a look at these seeds. Well, if it says how many seeds, yeah, 250 seeds in here, so there is absolutely plenty of seeds. Just get these finished opening these. But yeah, for 50 pence, you can't go wrong. If you can see these, just have a look there. Yep, not bad sized seeds at all, those. All you need to do then is just tap your hand. You only want a few in each cell. Well, see, I spilled a little bit too much there, so just take a few of those, spread them about a little bit. Let's get a few more. And that's it. That's your 10-week stocks. All you need to do then is just make sure you crimp, get your nails really bite in there, get it sealed back up again. And these will go somewhere cool, out of direct sunlight. I'll be able to sell some more of those next year, or even later on this year if I want to. Just get your compost in between your hands. Give it a gentle rub. Get some fine layer of compost over everything. Then all we need to do then is give it a water. All we need to do then is just give it a water with my watering bottle. These don't have to go in my watering tray. That should be plenty, probably 1/3 of a bottle there. And then all we need to do from there, just take them, just get the items, take them like so, spin them round, and they go in here like so. Let's get 2 lots in there. And here we are, just in my heater propagator. So there should be plenty of moisture retention there. They're also on a heat mat. And as you can see there, I've got other things in there. Dahlias, begonias, dahlia cuttings, dahlia begonia cones. So yeah, if you've got any questions about how to grow these, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.